But for me, like my mom, I'll,
Apart from your
पर
family,
लड़कों को तो ज्वेलरी देते नहीं है ना वैसे भी, unless लड़कों को ज्वेलरी नहीं देते, कौन कहाँ पहनते हैं लड़के?
they wear rings.
Yeah,
They wear rings and
y'all wear rings. No guys wearing. Only their wedding rings they're wearing, and only he's wearing. He's the only one who's wearing it. They have rings also for men, and who would I like to? भाई को दे दूंगी. And if I find some attractive guy,
Apart from
उसको दे
family
दूँ. If I अच्छा ठीक है चलो कोई अब मैं क्या करूँगी, मेरे पास कोई है नहीं किसी को रिंग देने के लिए, मैं कहाँ से लेके आऊँ? But ठीक है चलो, if I find a good looking guy on 14th, I promise you, I think ये लड़का बड़ा handsome है, मैं जाके उसको रिंग दे दूंगी.
any co-star of yours or your friend, someone?
नहीं, co-star तो मैं co-star को नहीं दूँ, उनके पास बहुत पैसे हैं, वो खुद खरीदेंगे अपनी रिंग्स.
Anushka, any memorable Valentine evening or Valentine date of yours?
It was actually a really sweet gesture once when I was in school. I think I was in the 9th standard, and everybody was getting like roses and whatnot. And I think maybe I seemed like a very unapproachable girl. I mean, I assume because किसी लड़की ने आके मुझे ना फूल दिए ना कुछ दिया. So I was feeling very bad, like damn it, सबको मिला मुझे नहीं मिला, and I was fully like judging myself. But then when I opened my bag, I found like a couple of cards, and when I went back home, and like chocolates and stuff, and like one flower. So that was, I think, quite special because I was feeling very, very dejected. Like I was feeling very, very inferior to everybody because I got nothing.
So do you still think the same? I'm sure not, that you're the most unapproachable girl.
Do I think? I don't know, you tell me. I mean, a guy should tell me actually. What will you tell me? A guy should tell me. I don't know. I don't think I'm unapproachable at all. It's just that in school I was a bit of a, I say what I want to say, and I'm not like a shy girl. So I guess maybe guys get a little intimidated by that. In school they did. Now though everyone's like fine. Now it's okay. Maybe calm down हो गई हूँ.
अनुष्का, एक सवाल है फिल्म्स से रिलेटेड कि कई
So many girls. I'm not seeing one single guy there.
कई सारी फिल्में हम देख रहे हैं आपके पास आ रही हैं, जा रही हैं, रिप्लेस हो रही हैं, मतलब क्या चल क्या रहा है? सही में आपको कोई रिप्लेस कर रहा है कि इट्स ऑल न्यूज़?
यार आप ही लोगों को पता होता है ये सब, तो मुझे बस पता है कि मैं कौन सी फिल्में कर रही हूँ.
तो हम जानना चाहेंगे कि आप कौन कौन सी फिल्में कर रही
Right now I'm only doing 2 films. I will start shooting for PK very soon. We're going to in fact start doing readings day after tomorrow, and then I'm going to start working on Bombay Velvet. These are 2 films that actually require a lot from me because बहुत मेहनत करनी है characters पे, and एक तो period film है Bombay Velvet, so you can imagine the work that's going to go into it. So right now, for now, this is what I can tell you about.
और कोई फिल्में आप नहीं कर रही हैं, जो भी चीज़ें वो सब
अभी मैं ये 2 फिल्में कर रही हूँ.
थैंक यू.
Anushka, say hypothetically, you got the chance to direct a Valentine's Day sequence. So how should the boy and the girl go about, celebrating the day, if you had the power to direct it?
Direct a sequence as in film?
Yeah. Say, a chance is given, either music video or anything about a Valentine's Day. So how would you go about recreating that on screen?
Is it, why am I doing it?
Hypothetically, if given a chance, how would you do it?
I won't do it. I can't direct to see my ass. I can't do it.
So you wouldn't even have an ideal way of celebration of Valentine's Day?
See, it's a very subjective thing. To me, I prefer simplicity. I think I find love in very small gestures, not with like big display of, like in large ways, like I don't know what, booking one whole restaurant and all that. मेरे को 2-3 चाटे मारने का मन करेगा. But I think it's more about small things, just unexpectedly when someone can shower you with love and attention. I think that's, to me, more special. Okay. I'm very low maintenance like that.
Thank you. And one more question apart from the topic. Vishwarupam has been banned in Tamil Nadu. The release of Vishwarupam film. So your reaction on that, a movie not